How to install BodyShield protective film. Perform the installation of the BodyShield film in a clean room, such as a garage. Each film piece has a corresponding label with its name. The kit may include a small or large squeegee. For small surfaces, such as handles and pillars, we recommend using the small squeegee. For large surfaces, such as the bumper and thresholds, use the large squeegee. Clean the surface. First, thoroughly clean the selected element using BodyShield cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Prepare the surface. Next, use the BodyShield installer. Spray it evenly over the entire surface where the BodyShield film will be applied. Prepare your hands. Spray your fingers with BodyShield installer gel. Remove the corresponding film piece from its backing, guided by the label on the backing. Spray the film. Then, spray the entire backside of the film with the BodyShield installer. Position the film. Gently place the film onto the element. The gel used will allow you to precisely position the film. Apply the film with a squeegee. Use the squeegee and, with a firm motion from the center outward, push the gel out from under the film. Do not press the squeegee too hard, as this may damage the film. Clean the surface. Carefully clean the wrapped element, removing excess gel. Use a cloth and BodyShield cleaner. Perform this step cautiously to avoid peeling off the freshly installed film. Curing time. Do not wash the car for 3 to 4 days after installing the film. Wait 48 to 64 hours for the final effect. Check out this video, where we show step-by-step how to install BodyShield on various car elements.